Over. Please, let us go to the agenda. Let us respect one another. It's over. Okay?
గౌరవనీయులు
With the request of the house, I'm कादू नहीं अरे बात करने देते नो नो यू कैन नॉट डिमांड मिर्जा साहब आप डिमांड नहीं कर सकते व्हाई शुड आई लेट नो एजेंडा में बात कर रहे हम लोग एजेंडा पे आ रहे नो यू कैन नॉट डिक्टेट सर नो नो यू कैन नॉट डू दैट नहीं बेग साहब आप बैठ जाइए नो आई विल नॉट गिव द माइक नहीं नहीं से आप
लेकिन उसमें जो अभी हमारे बीजेपी के दोस्त अभी बोल रहे थे देश में रहना है तो पढ़ना होगा ये गलत बात है
नो टेक इट बैक नो कोई भी नहीं बोल बेग साहब everybody respect we are all Indians sir we are all Indians please respect one another we are all Indians sir we are all Indians sir आप बैठ जाओ sir Beg Saab, we are all Indians, Beg Saab. Nobody will disrespect another person. Sir, please बैठ जाइए. We will not disrespect. Sir, we will not disrespect anybody. We have no intention of disrespecting anybody, sir. We are all Indians, sir. Please बैठ जाइए. Please बैठ जाइए आप. Please बैठ जाइए. It's already 10 minutes to 1 o'clock. It's almost lunchtime. We haven't started the agenda. बैठ जाइए. No, sir. I understand. नहीं साहब वो लोग कुछ भी नहीं बोले अब बैठ जाओ वो लोग बोले रघुनंदन साहब बोले नहीं अब हमारे एमपी साहब बोले कि कोई भी नहीं बोले if somebody has said it sir if Beg साहब if somebody has said it रघुनंदन साहब no एमपी साहब बोल रहे ना कोई भी नहीं बोले प्लीज बैठ जाओ वाहब साहब बैठ जाओ वाहब प्लीज सोहेल साहब बैठ जाइए no we'll take it back I'm telling you okay please sit down no wrong on your part wrong on okay रघुनंदन साहब बात करेंगे 1 minute No, very bad on Anna Raghunandan garu meeru Rajshekhar yeah pick up them marshals can pick up those people marshals No, I'm requesting. Okay. No, please. Sohel Saab. Koppula Narasimhareddy garu. Sohel Saab, 1 minute. No, I have this act I'm going to read. I will have to pick up them. Marshals pick up చేయండి వాళ్ళని వీళ్ళని ఎవరు నుంచున్నారో టేబుల్స్ మీద ఎవరు నుంచున్నారో వాళ్ళందరిని తీయండి I cannot tables మీద నుంచిన వాళ్ళందరిని తీయండి You cannot stand on the table. You cannot stand on the table. You cannot stand on the table. Marshals will pick up everybody I will play. नहीं आप ठहरो No. బీజేపీ వాళ్ళకి నేను రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను, మీరు టేబుల్స్ ఎక్కిపోవడం ఏం మర్యాద అండి అది? I have to withdraw the members. బయటకు పంపించేస్తా నేను. BJP will go and take their seats, please. BJP members will take their seats. MIM will take their seats. If not, the members will be taken out. If not, the members will be taken out. I request cooperation. I requested everybody to cooperate. This is no religion. We are all the members. Please respect. Sit down. Please sit down. If not, I have to give a break. Marshals, you go.